Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add debit card to Samsung Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add debit card to Samsung Wallet, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the Samsung Wallet app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply access payment cards and then tap on Alt tab and then select payment card, so simply tap on add to wallet. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select a card to add, and then once done, allow the app to access your camera and position your card to within the frame to auto detect the card number and expiration date. Alternatively, you can tap enter card manually to input the card details as well. Then once done, input the CVV code and your name as it appears on the card, and lastly review and accept the terms and conditions provided by your bank or card issuer. Complete the verification process, which may involve receiving one-time password via SMS or email, or using your bank's authentication method. If prompted, set up a PIN, fingerprint or iris scan for secure transactions, and once verified, your debit card will be added to Samsung Wallet. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.